Seoul has Michelin-starred meals for $5, neighborhoods that never sleep, and palaces older than America itself. But here's what blows my mind. Most tourists only see 20% of what this city offers. I'm about to change that. Stick around because I'm revealing 15 things you need to do in Seoul in 2025, including hidden spots even locals don't talk about. Let's explore every corner of Seoul, and I'm obsessed. This city is where 500-year-old temples sit next to futuristic skyscrapers, where you can shop at 3 a.m., and where the food scene will ruin you for everywhere else. Whether you're here for K-pop, Korean BBQ, or just want to explore one of Asia's most electric cities, this guide has everything. The famous spots, the hidden gems, and all the insider tips to save you money and time. Get a T-Money card the second you land. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. This little card is your key to Seoul. Subway rides are around $1.25, and you'll save 101 per trip compared to single tickets. But here's the genius part. It works on buses, taxis, and even convenience stores. Buy it at any GS25, CU, or 7-Eleven for about $3, loaded up with 20,000 to 30,000 won to start. The subway system here puts New York to shame. It's clean, fast, has English signs, and Wi-Fi on every train. Pro tip, download the Kakao Metro app. It shows you exactly which subway car to board to be closest to your exit. Saves so much time. Spend a night at a Jjimjilbang, and trust me, this is an experience. These are Korean bathhouses on steroids. For $10 to $15, you get access to hot tubs, saunas, steam rooms, sleeping areas, and even restaurants. Dragon Hill Spa in Yongsan is open 24/7, and it's basically where locals go to relax, socialize, or even crash for the night. Here's what happens. You shower completely naked in gender-separated areas. Yes, completely. Then you get these pajama things and access the co-ed floors with different temperature rooms. The 90-degree ice room? Insane. The clay sauna? Life-changing. You can literally spend 12 hours here and no one bats an eye. Some people come here instead of hotels because it's cheaper. Skip the tourist-packed Bukchon and head to Ikseon-dong instead. Don't get me wrong, Bukchon is beautiful, but Ikseon-dong is where Seoul's traditional meets trendy without the crowds. These narrow alleyways are filled with 100-year-old Hanok houses that have been converted into the most Instagram-worthy cafes, boutiques, and restaurants. My favorite, Onsemiro Brewery, a craft beer spot in a traditional house. The contrast is chef's kiss. Come here in the late afternoon, grab a coffee, and just wander. The golden hour light hitting these wooden houses is unreal. It's right near Yongno 3Ga Station, and it's way more chill than the tourist spots. Gwangjang Market. This is where you're going to blow your food budget, and you won't regret a single one. This 100-year-old market is street food heaven. We're talking bindaeteok, mung bean pancakes fried to perfection for $3, mayak gimbap, these addictive mini rice rolls for $2, and the freshest sashimi you'll ever taste. But here's my move. Find the bindaeteok ajuma who's been here for 30 years. Order one, add a bottle of magyoli, that's rice wine, for $3 and sit on those tiny plastic stools. This is Seoul at its most authentic. Come hungry, come with cash, and don't wear your nice shoes because it gets messy. DONGDAEMUN designed Plaza, but only at night. During the day it's cool, but at night it's otherworldly. The Zaha Hadid-designed spaceship of a building is free to walk around. And from March to November, they have the LED Rose Garden. 25,000 LED roses that light up. It's one of the best free things to do in Seoul. After you've taken your 500 photos, walk across to the DONGDAEMUN shopping district. These malls are open until 5 a.m. Yes, 5 a.m. You can shop for clothes, shoes, fabric. Everything's wholesale prices, and it's where Korean fashion brands get their stuff. Duda Mall is the most tourist-friendly with fixed prices and English-speaking staff. Rent a bike and cruise the Han River or chill at Seoul Forest. Locals love the Han River. On weekends, you'll see thousands of people biking, having chicken and beer picnics, exercising, or just vibing. It's the city's backyard. Rent a bike through the Seoul Bike app. It's called Taeryonggi for about $1 per hour. Start at Uido Park, ride along the river, stop for fried chicken from a convenience store, and watch the sunset with Lotte World Tower in the background. Or hit up Seoul Forest in Ikseon-dong. It's like Korean Central Park with deer you can feed. The whole Seongsu area is trendy right now, with industrial chic cafes everywhere. This is where you see Seoul breathe. Changdeokgung Palace and its secret garden. Yes, there's an actual secret garden. While everyone's rushing to Gyeongbokgung, and you should go there too. Changdeokgung is the palace that was actually preferred by Korean kings.